Hey.
Ay, coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big dope on flame. I just switched the lanes.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Oregon. You can't really see it right now because we're a little bit in a rainstorm right now. We were waiting about 2 hours to get the resort open, and the last couple days I've been here ready to rip. The resort's been closed, so it's kind of a bummer, but camp is starting day one, and we got a crew for camp. And we got more people we've ever had for camp, so I'm super excited. We're going to run through some names real quick. We got Todd, Molly, Raphael, Nate Dogg, Golden Coast. We got Nico, we got Pedro, we got Spencer, we got Michael, Jeremy, and we got Sean. And then Anthony, he's pooping. I don't know, he's doing something. So enough talking. Let's get to the mountain and let's rip. And it's raining, so we're gonna do our best with this. You know. So I've never seen so much snow here this time of the year. And it feels so good to be back in Oregon. Let's go! Alright guys, so there is a small terrain park open currently. I don't know if you saw when we came up the lift, there is another terrain park on the right, which is the kind of the more intermediate, bigger one. With that, this is our first run. We're just gonna ride back to the bottom of this lift. It's the only one open. And we're not gonna do any drills yet. You know, we're gonna make some turns, we're gonna feel good, and we're gonna have a great time, right? Yeah! Alright campers, let's go! Woo! I'm dead! Let's do another run. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Dude, we have a solid crew of riders this week. I'm so stoked. You know, we want everyone that comes to camp to be a confident rider. We got that this year. We're just sick.
your old hole.
Alright guys, the campers are killing it. We have so many of them doing things for the first time, like hitting their first box, hitting their first jump, and sadly there is a little bit of pressure for them to hit the box and the jumps, at least the small ones, because that little park can close down any day. You know, it's always constantly changing out here. Every single day is so different, and they are building a bigger public park, which is awesome, but it means the smaller features kind of go away. They'll still have a box in there and things like that, but this is like very entry level that we're getting today, which is incredible. Hopefully it sticks around until week 2 of camp so all the campers can enjoy that. And if you're wondering, like, week 2 of camp, like, what's this camp? Like, if you didn't know, we host a summer camp every year in June up here in Mount Hood at Timberline Ski Resort. It's incredible in Oregon, and all these people like Ralph signed up and they're having a great time. This is just day 1 of 5 days of snowboarding, so they're going to learn so much while we're out here. And the best part about camp is the weather's only going to get better. We're kind of in a little bit of a rainstorm right now, but you can still shred it. It's still sick, and we're having a great time. It only feels a little tough on the chairlift is what we're dealing with. But you guys know what's never rough and never changing and always awesome? Today, sticker shout out. We got Chunky Snowboarding with the Galaxy sticker on the helmet. Looking insane. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker. We're only going to do one shout out because my hands are freezing. But guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, they're all linked down below. If you do snag any of them, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did. But also, if you are a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. And if you're a skier and you want to come to Snowboard Camp, and trust me guys, skiers did ask, we might make that happen soon. Maybe next year, I don't know. I'm getting way better at skiing. Maybe I could coach you up on the skiing. But anyways, camp is just about the vibes as much as it is about learning and getting better at snowboarding. So with that, snag the merch, support the dream. You know, when hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, windbreakers. You guys are incredible. Everything's linked down below. We're in this wind right now, so I'm gonna put my gear back on and we're gonna go keep snowboarding. Here we go. Oh.
Golden Coast, baby.
Hit him with the Tindy!
Yes!
Sync with the earth, 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, let her ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the back.
Hey.
Queen looking Tyson, do that ass survive, doing 80 to the house, then I hit her to the sky, change haters on a tirade, talking to the crib in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe, I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel bent from the bib, take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow, I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's capped. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, trying to pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk.
I'm so excited. So we got people that were hitting their first jump ever. Some are going for distance now, some are going for grabs. We had a couple window wipe grabs, you know, like missing it. Where you going, Jeremy? Go eat a sandwich. And overall, dude, everybody is just having a blast. And like, that's how we do camp. We don't know if this was Chipmunk, but I'm gonna call Chipmunk just in case. We don't know where we are, you know.
We're on the golden car!
Seriously, what a first day, dude. People have progressed already so much. Learning boxes and jumps, and dude, we're having a good time. It's a little sketchy riding right now. People can't even see other people, but it's still sick. I knocked him over with my spray. It was so powerful. That is day one of camp. We're gonna talk to the campers here in a second. How was it?
Amazing.
How was it?
Let's go.
Let's go. How was it? Ah! Good?
Yeah.
Dude, killing it.
Getting close.
We'll get that, dude. We got 4 more days. All right, Nico, what was your favorite part of the day?
It's getting out and snowboarding again in the summer, dude.
Right? Insane. Now I almost forgot, the day's not over. This is summer camp. We got more to do. So we're done on the mountain though. So we're teleporting out of here and we'll see you at the camp house. So you gotta see the camp house. It's sick. Here we go. Up. All right guys, so we're at the camp house now. We got the whole crew. About to do some video breakdown. We just mowed down on some spaghetti. I know I said I'd show you the camp house today, but we'll probably do that tomorrow. And we're jumping to video breakdown. It's where we watch all the clips of everyone shredding today, and we're gonna break it down in super slow motion and find everything they did wrong and yell at them, and it's gonna be a great time. So you guys ready to see how much we all, including myself, suck at snowboarding? Yes. Like, that's not joking. It's gonna be a great time. So here we go. Camera to Cody. I think you corrected it throughout the day. Look how open his lead shoulder is. When we make a bunch of turns going into the feature, we end up getting lost. And then you ended up being sideways. You're approaching this jump about to go up it, but you're going sideways right now. You guys are all like pretty solid riders, by the way. All right, guys, we just wrapped up video review. How'd you guys like it? Yeah. We're all learning how to be sick at snowboarding, and that's day one wrapped up. We got a game of snow going on right now with the snowboard addiction boards that we have, so everyone can practice and learn things. We can show it on the TV, practice it here. It's pretty sick. So come to camp next year. And with that, guys, as always, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video because it is daily on this snowboard channel. All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot. Oh!